Hello guys, so I have just bought this Digicom and I have just opened the seal. So let me show you how this is Digicom. So let me open this. This is a Digicom multi-device Bluetooth keyboard IK8500. This is that model number. Okay, so it is very nice and it looks very heavy. It is very sturdy also and very rigid. Yes, this is so good. As you can see here, it comes wrapped in the plastic. So let me open this now. Okay, so here is this. Alright, so let me open this. It looks very premium, guys. So this here is for putting the phone or iPad. So I brought this so that I can use this with my iPad. So this is my iPad 2018 generation. So let's see if it fits here or not. Okay, so guys, it fits here very perfectly like this. So this is in black color and it supports Mac, it supports Windows, and also it supports Apple iOS, and Android also it supports. So let me show you here. Here are the three buttons, so you can switch on three different devices. So it looks very premium, and by the way, it also have the built-in lithium ion battery which you can use and you can charge it. And they have told me that this company Digicom claims that it lasts for about 3 months. I mean, one charge it lasts for 3 months. Let's see what else we got in the box. Okay, so here is the user manual, and also we have one. Okay, let me see. This is the USB cable for charging this keypad. So this is very good. The keys are very nice, very tactile, and I really love this. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.